If you are newly arrived, welcome to the Unity of Humanities Festival's Art Celebration. Our next act is a dramatic piece written by Anne Boyles and performed by Michael Ali, and it is called That Crimson Ink.
Interesting collection, this. Festival of the Unity of Humanities. You seem to be pretty reception for this. Oh. I don't get it. In 1844, a young Syed in Shiraz, Persia, announced that he had come with a new divinely inspired mission, and to prepare the way for another divine educator who would soon appear after him to bring teachings centered on peace and the unity of humankind. This young Syed took the Arabic title of the Bab, or the Gate, and soon attracted many followers. Before long, they were caught up in a tremendous wave of persecution. It is estimated that some 14,000 men, women, and children were put to death. Haji Suleiman Khan, a young man from a wealthy and influential family, was martyred in 1853 in Tehran. He was paraded through the streets to the place of execution with lighted candles and holes carved in his flesh, having refused the Shah's offer to let him live if he would recant his faith. This representation of Suleiman Khan's martyrdom was inspired by the following passage from the Baha'i writings. O Son of Man, write all that we have revealed unto thee with the ink of light upon the tablet of thy spirit. If this thou canst not do, then write with that crimson ink that has been shed in my pen. Well, that is definitely crimson ink. What were you thinking? Avoided this. I mean, it's only words after all. Words are cheap. People lie all the time. Save your life. Why not? Some people might think that it was wrong, but could you learn a lot more good and wrong? It says here that you were young. So didn't you just throw it all away? And for what exactly? I mean, it's not like you changed the course of history or anything like that. I don't even know who you are. What is that? I ordered a triple venti, half sweet, not fat, caramel macchiato, and this is not what I ordered. I'm pretty sure that has soda in it. Well, sure. I believe in peace. I believe that everyone should be able to live in dignity. That 85% of the world's wealth is concentrated in 10% of the hands of the population. That everyone should have access to education so they can contribute to the advancement of civilization. That women should be recognized as equal to men. That we should stop destroying the environment so that it goes back into the pockets of short-term profits go back into the pockets of the world's population of the billionaires. We need to stop hating others who aren't like us, who look like us, who believe what we believe, who don't speak our language. I mean, it's like an impossible thing. That there's no way to tackle all those issues. In spite of what they said on social media. You know, there's this amazing post that says, look right here, sign on my petition, and you can end world hunger. Wow, that is monumental. Can you imagine being able to put the stop to the end of world hunger by the mere movement of my index finger? I mean, who knew I had such power in my digits? One click, and you can change the world. We should all be doing that. Who could resist, really? And yet, strangely, nothing has happened. Oh, except of course that Kim and Kanye are having another little problem here. And oh yes, and the Canada Revenue Agency is going to arrest me if I don't call them immediately. Why do we continue to be bamboozled into this idea that we can change the world with a click of a finger? I can't even imagine what it would take to make that kind of transformation. I mean, the world is just a cesspool of injustice, corruption, hatred. So on. You know, we might talk about unity, but really, all we have at best here is a veneer scratched below the surface, and it gets ugly. You know, sometimes it's just easier to check out. How many people want to die sooner than Khan? You, good sir, and you, madame, you look like you're really enjoying the spectacle. Wholesome afternoon entertainment, was it? You know, I've read in history about this in history, that people would take a day off work to go to an execution like it was something to celebrate. Thank God we've gone beyond that kind of barbarity. But we have mass shooters in the streets, streaming live on social media as they're killing people. We're bombarded with pictures from the latest man-made or natural disaster. Piles of dead bodies and the suffering on the faces of the survivors. You know, we go back to that and we think, oh yeah, there's another one. Too bad for them. And we sip our specialty drinks and scroll right by. Compassion fatigue, I think they call it. So how different are we really from the spectators of this painting. Different, aren't they? You know, we might complain ad nauseum about all the wrongs and injustices in the world. But how much would we be willing to sacrifice so that every living, breathing human being had enough to eat every day, so that we could live in conditions that would allow them to find solutions to these overwhelming problems that we're facing, to contribute to the advancement of society? I mean, how much would I be willing to sacrifice? You walk the talk. You didn't lie yourself or anyone else. You literally lay down your life. Why can't we all be like that? You wrote with that crimson ink. Maybe you were to jump after all. I still can't say that I understand what you did, but maybe we need more of that kind of conviction, that kind of courage. If we really want peace, if we really want this world to change, maybe I need that kind of conviction. It was an honor to meet you, Sue.